So the contact lenses we're going to be putting in today are by ColourVUE, and they're the Sclera 22mm Sabretooth contact lenses. Now the Sclera ones are the ones that cover your entire eye, so that pretty much all of your eye is just one solid color or pattern. These are a lot larger than regular contacts, so they look like this, and they come in a little container that's got a right side and a left side labeled so you don't get your contacts mixed up. What you're going to do to apply them into your eye is you're going to get your thumb, pointer finger, and middle finger and squish the contact lens to create a kind of triangle shape. Now you're going to do this because trying to put it in just flat, it's not going to happen because it's too wide. So what you do is you hold the contact lens in that triangle shape, press it into your eye until you feel yourself touching your eyeball. I'm using my opposite hand to hold down my bottom and top lashes so I don't blink into the contact, and then with the hand with the contact I'm using the middle finger to hold the bottom of the contact and my pointer finger to actually push up on the contact. So you're going to push it, you're going to keep pushing and pushing and pushing the contact upwards into the back of your eye. Now when you first put in the contacts, they're gonna feel a bit scratchy, especially if you've never worn these types of contacts before. If they're getting a bit uncomfortable when you first put them in, just roll the contact in your eyeball to get it into a more comfortable position. And then once you've done that, they look like this.